Spice Math. That's right. You add it up, multiply and man, Spice Math. Okay. A couple things we're gonna learn today. Spice Math. All right. Take some time, educate yourself. Spice Math. That's right. You won't believe it's just math. Come on.
Hi, I'm Ruth Doughton.
Hi, I'm Aaron Williams.
Hi, I'm Brandon Alexander.
Hi, I'm Kelvin Doughton.
Hello, I'm Lyndon Sincere.
We are your Spice Math tutors.
You won't believe it's just math. Just math.
Welcome to another episode of Spice Math. My name is Donessa Belgrave. Today, our lesson is addition. This lesson is geared for students in grade 1 and the beginning of grade 2. The materials you'll need are paper and pencil. The objectives are students would be able to 1. Recognize the addition sign. 2. Add using one-digit numbers. And 3. List the different words and terms used while adding. The sign for addition is a plus sign, or some may say it looks like a cross. Now this is the sign. Can you make the sign with me? Great. Now some terms that we use in addition is addition, add, sum, plus, and total. You may hear me use some of these terms throughout this video. What is addition? Addition is basically adding or putting numbers together to get a total answer. For example, if you have 1 plus 5, you put it together and you get 6. But not the way you're thinking. You're not just putting the numbers together. No, you have to have 5 objects and 1 object, put them in one, and then you add them all together, and that's how you get 6. For my students in grade 1, most times you would get your equation like this. You would have, say, you would see this. You have 1, 2, 3, which means 3 plus 1. And then you start to add. So you can say 3 and 1 is equal to 4. My students in grade 2, you would already understand when you see the numbers, you know you have to write or draw your objects to show you're working. So please don't be confused. Now I'm going to show you one of another example. So let's look along. I have 6 plus 3. Do you see the sign? That's an addition sign. So 6 plus 3. What do? We represent 6. So we need, well, put 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to add these shapes together to give us our answer. Now we know this is 6, so we don't need to count it one by one. So we just continue from 6. 6, what number comes after 6? 7. So let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. Let's try one more example. I am going to say 5. And can somebody tell me another number? I'm hearing 2, so I'll put 2. Now we go again. I'm going to put 5 dots to represent the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to put 2 triangles to represent the 2. 1, 2. And now we add the total number of objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I would like us to do some together. So get your pencil and your paper. The first equation I want you to write on your paper is 9 plus 0. Do you have it? Now, let's represent our numbers. We will start with the 9. Now, I want you to choose any shape or any object that you would like to represent your 9. I have 9. Now I need to represent 0. So choose shapes to represent your 0. Did you put any shapes down? If you did, you need to erase it. And let's think about it. 0. How do we represent 0? 0 is nothing. So, which means we don't have to put anything here, because it's nothing. So if we're adding 9 plus 0, we know this is 9 already, and plus 0, so 9. Do we have anything over here? No. So our answer is 9. Great. Now, let's go on to our next example. I would like you to put down 1 square on your paper for me. Then I want you to put down 6 circles on your paper. Please follow what I'm doing. Do you have it? Great. Now, let's put our numbers to represent the shapes that we have. How many squares do you have? 1. Put your 1 down. Please remember your sign. We're doing addition. And how many circles do we have? 6. So what are you going to do? Yes, we're going to put our 6 down. And now it's time for us to find the total. Now you find your total and I'll find mine, and we'll come back and see if we have the same answer. Do you have the same answer as me? If you don't, please, let's do it together. We know we have 1 here and we're counting onwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you did not have the same answer, I would like you to change your answer to 7, and now that you understand what we need to do, you will practice some on your own. Now on the screen, you see we have 2 worksheets. Some where we have only shapes, and you know how to write the numbers for it. And some we have numbers, and you will draw your shapes to represent your numbers. So happy working. And before you go on to work, I also have a link here for you to find more worksheets that you can practice at home. Bye, and see you in the next episode.
It's just